All these teas. Can I shake up this can of Coca-Cola?
Close my damn refrigerator.
Can I get a Reese cup?
Close my motherfucking refrigerator.
Can I get a Reese cup?
Close my motherfucking refrigerator.
I just want a Reese cup.
Close my motherfucking refrigerator.
You ain't got nothing to eat in here. That's what you need to start getting when you start going to, like, instead of buying all this stuff in bulk, just get some pizza rolls or something.
Close my motherfucking refrigerator.
All right, let me get a tea. Can I get a tea? Just you got like 8 of them. Can I get one? Thank you. He let me get a tea, y'all.
Put my motherfucking shit down. Put my motherfucking shit down. Close my.
I did.
Don't open my motherfucking refrigerator tonight. As of tonight, don't open up my motherfucking refrigerator. As of tonight, my motherfucking refrigerator.
Why you gotta move your head
closed
when you talk? Look, y'all. Don't every time he talk, he do this. He be like this. As of tonight, don't open my motherfucking refrigerator. As of tonight, I told you time and time again, don't be opening my refrigerator. I want to have my butter right here. I want to have my butter right here. You don't do nothing about my refrigerator. Stop snatching my do-rag off there, Quan. I told you time and time again that my do-rag don't be snatching my do-rag. So much.
Shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up, motherfucker. Go, why don't you go read a book?
That's your president.
Go read a book. Go read a book.